Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook bag rice. First, select a pot large enough to comfortably hold your desired number of rice bags. You'll want to ensure there's ample space for them to move freely. Next, fill the pot with enough water to completely cover the bags by at least 1 inch. Adding a small pinch of salt to the water is optional, but it can subtly improve the rice's taste. This simple preparation sets the stage for perfectly cooked rice. Once your pot is ready, bring the water to a vigorous, rolling boil. Gently place the sealed rice bags into the boiling water, ensuring they are fully submerged. After all bags are in, reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Allow the rice to cook for approximately 10 to 12 minutes. This controlled simmering ensures even cooking without overcooking or sticking, leading to fluffy, separate grains. After the simmering time, carefully remove the hot rice bags from the pot using tongs. Place them in a colander or on a wire rack to drain for about 1 minute. This step helps remove excess moisture, preventing soggy rice. Once drained, carefully cut open each bag with scissors and empty the perfectly cooked rice into your serving dish. Be cautious, as the bags and steam will be hot. Now that your rice is in the serving dish, take a fork and gently fluff the grains. This separates them and releases any remaining steam, making the rice light and airy. Serve your warm, fluffy rice immediately as a delicious side dish or as the base for your favorite meal. Enjoy the convenience and consistent quality of perfectly prepared bag rice, ready in just minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.